Hi guys, this is Fantom Vacuum Fan, and today I have a new vacuum to show you guys. It is a Westinghouse Wired Deluxe upright vacuum. Now this machine is pretty uncommon to find. It is essentially a rebadged or rebranded Fantom Crosswind 600 XL, just in a different color scheme. But everything about it, other than the filter system, is identical to the Fantom version. I got this for $40. It was on the Facebook Marketplace, and the lady had it listed for $50. I messaged her and asked her if she would take $40. And she said absolutely, sure, no problem. So it was about a 3-hour one-way drive to get it, and then 3 hours back. But it was well worth it considering how uncommon these machines are. And I don't know if it shows up in the video too well because the flash is on to give me some extra light. It looks very scuffed up. It really isn't. Maybe there you can see a little bit more. There are a couple little scratches here and there. But the two biggest flaws in it, well, the three, I guess, there's this, on the sticker, but that's nothing. There's a little bit of a scratch in the collection bin, and the collection bin handle right here has peeled a wee bit. But other than that, the machine looks... Oh, and also the handle has a few on the handle grip scuffs. But other than that, the machine, that's just a reflection on the HEPA filter cover, looks perfect. It came with all four of its attachments as well as a spare headlight. There is a dusting brush inside of the upholstery attachment. Very similar to the Cyclone XT tool setup. So if you're familiar with that, then you are familiar with this just about. The difference between this and a Fantom Cyclone XT is this has the single cyclonic filter system with the dirt arresters, which, yes, they're dusty. I tried it out to make sure it worked after I cleaned it up. I'll give it a good cleaning after the fact to, before I put it in storage. But the Crosswind 600, as well as the Crosswind 200 models, and the Fantom Wildcat had the dirt arresters and were single cyclonic. The big difference between this model and the Fantom Crosswind 600 XL are the colors and the filtration system. The Fantom had an electrostatic filter here and an electrostatic foam filter here, where the HEPA filter would be. The Westinghouse has this pre-motor filter, which is dusty. I'm not sure if it's washable, because I know the Fantom equivalent would be, but I can't tell if this is a washable filter or not until I find out. I don't want to wash it. Sorry, give me 1 second. It's hard to do this with one hand. There we go. So it's pretty dusty right now. And there's the Cyclone assembly. Well, yeah. Now the HEPA filter, though, on this is a HEPA filter, a Westinghouse branded, and it says somewhere on here, let's see. Well, I guess just on the bin, it's kind of scraped, but the long life HEPA filter lasts 7 years. I'm going to turn off my flash now to... Actually, no, I guess I will leave it on. But... So they say that the HEPA filter on this machine can last 7 years. I don't know if that's true, but it seems like the HEPA filter certainly is an authentic one. I don't know if it's the original one to the machine. If so, I'd be it wouldn't totally surprise me because this machine has seen light use, but it was produced in, let's see if it says on here. I'm not as familiar with Westinghouse's production codes, so I'm not even sure when it was produced, but it would have been 01 or 02 to maybe 04, somewhere in there. I don't know exactly when they started selling these. It was shortly after Fantom went out of business, so I'm thinking like the 01, 02 time frame, but really not sure. Sorry that that's kind of washed out by the flash, but there you go. It was made by Salton Incorporated for Westinghouse. And, but there is one other really unique thing about this machine compared to the Fantoms. I'm going to do a separate video where I demonstrate it. And I noticed, at first I thought the headlights didn't work, but after running it for a second, I noticed they were on. What it is that it actually has a soft start headlight system, so they start very dim, and then, within, maybe 15 seconds or so, they're at full brightness, which is pretty cool. I guess that would help extend bulb life. It's still got the squeeze and go cleaning wand like the Fantoms had in most models. Like I said, it has all of its attachments. There's the dusting brush stored inside. I get the spare bulb out. It has the crevice tool and the floor tool. And yeah, so this is a rather uncommon machine. I've had a couple friends message me, I messaged them to show them the picture and tell them that I got it. And one of them said, quote, that's extremely rare. And another one, in different terms, made it clear he was surprised that I found one. So, I knew they were uncommon in the first place because I've been looking for one for years, but just haven't been able to find one until now. So anyway, let me show you the underside real quick, and then I'm going to sign off for this video and get ready to do a demo video. So yeah, that is my new to me and extremely rare, or at least certainly extremely uncommon, Westinghouse Wired Deluxe upright vacuum cleaner. So this is Fantom Vacuum Fan. Thanks for watching, and I will be posting another video shortly of it in use. Thanks. Bye.